Salametsiz derme. My name is Will Moser, and I am excited to be returning to Kazakhstan as ambassador after having served there more than 20 years ago in the U.S. Embassy when it was in Almaty. For more than a quarter century, Kazakhstan has been a valued friend and a strategic partner of the United States in Central Asia. While I am ambassador, I will work to strengthen our economic, security, and cultural ties. The foundation of the great partnership between our countries is Kazakhstan's legacy of nuclear nonproliferation. Kazakhstan continues to be a leading voice today for ensuring a safer and healthier future for the world. But most important of all are the people-to-people ties between our two nations. Kazakhstanis are rightfully a proud people, with a young, energetic, and globally minded population that is the driving force toward Kazakhstan's bright future. I am honored to return with my family to represent the United States of America in your beautiful country. Thank you. Shakhan narada, kezdeskinche.